Hi guys, it's us here again from DDM, or at least the other half. Ruben is behind the camera over there. Hi Ruben.
Hi.
So it's very cold today, -10, sunny though, and I guess you guys have never seen a Proton starting in the weather, in the cold weather that is, -10 degrees. So we're gonna do that today and have a little fun. So let's join us. Come.
But what's the most important thing right now? Because we're gonna have to take that Proton out of the garage, but we're not gonna do it on the engine, right?
No, because this has to be a pure cold start. So we're gonna push it.
Good.
Out. So let's do that. I need your help.
Okay.
So let's get you off the camera. Alrighty, so car's almost out. We still haven't started, as you can tell. I can turn the key. Nothing's happening, so the battery's still off. So we're just gonna push it outside real quick.
Yeah.
And then hook up the battery and give it a cold start.
Ruben, are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you gonna not hit that mirror?
We have another one. It's okay.
Yeah, that's true. We do. Okay, let's just go for it. Let's try. Let's try this. Yeah, ready? Are you good? Good luck. More. You're pretty useless at this. Let gravity do the work, not me. Well, it happens, right? I mean, it's out. How long have we not driven this car now?
The last time I drove it. Until
Yeah.
when is it legal in Germany? October?
Yeah.
Yeah, then it was October.
Shit, that's a long time, man.
It's a bit long, yes.
Start her up. First time.
Yep.
Did you fall?
Slippery.
Did you fall?
Yeah, it's slippery.
You're such a dick, dude.
Dude, it's slippery as fuck. Oh. I can't say that, can I?
Dude, you're such a dick. Oh, fuck. Dude, you weren't kidding.
I know, it's slippery, I'm telling you.
Was expres, hè?
Oh.
Ik deed dat expres net, trouwens.
Oh. Okay.
Hey, that worked.
Oh no, we didn't have an immobilizer on this one.
Hell no.
Dude, I forgot. The other one was the immobilizer.
Oh, man. Look at that.
Are you ready?
Yes. Oh,
Proton, man. Oh.
easy. Hey, don't fall.
It smells.
Like what?
Fuel.
Here, look. I think I half tanked it.
Yeah. Hey, but it's kind of nice. First, yeah. First time in the real winter for this car.
You said it was slippery, right?
Yes.
You know what that means.
I think I do.
Cepat. Cepat. Yeah, let's go. You're gonna go on the icy bit for now, for a bit.
I'll show you how slippery it is.
All right. Niet te hard. ABS works like a charm.
Oh yeah.
Hell, because we ain't got none.
Let's go.
Ik heb 20%. Ga maar.
Oh, it's slippery.
Yeah, I figured.
Here we go.
Nah.
don't think this is made for semi-slicks.
Try to go in reverse right now,
Why would I do that?
cause you'll drift easier.
Yeah, that's a good point. It's so slippery though. It's so unpredictable.
Ja, maar we gaan niet te gek doen, hè?
Nee.
Nee. Kom maar terug. Oké. Zet maar terug. Put it back.